How y'all doing? How y'all doing? This is George. Once again here, I am going to go over Amazon. I played Amazon last Thursday, May 26th. Made a little bit over $1,800. Two different plays. Both were about 900 piece on each play. I haven't had time to finish this recording until now, just because I went on vacation literally right after that. I turned off the computer and took off to the airport. Anyways, if you have any questions on what I'm missing, what I should add on the next video, please comment down below. All right. This is the first trade here, and the trade idea behind this was to take this 2170. Um, I like the way it was rejected right at pre-market. That was my initial trade here. So we're gonna play it here real quick. We're gonna talk about we're looking at this spread. So this is dropping. Things just opened up. I have the 2200 calls pulled up, ready to play those. It's a Thursday. You don't want to be too far out of the money. Again, 2170 is the play that I'm looking at. Keep in mind here, NQ was dropping right now. It was dropping. Don't let this full green tell you, oh, they're being bought. That necessarily doesn't mean things are being bought. I do like that it pulled back during the first couple minutes. I hate playing the first few seconds in the market. You never know what's gonna happen. It's very risky. I don't recommend it. If you haven't been doing this very long, I would pretty much skip the first 3 to 5 minutes of each day just because they're so volatile. Um, so I will skip around here to when I actually get in. I don't want y'all to just watch me look at the screen. So as you can see here, this is kind of weak here. This is dropping. This is starting to come up. This has very little volume here.
Yeah, it
So
feels
now I'm
like the
watching.
average
I like that. I like how the started wicking from the bottom. It needs to catch up to NQ. NQ is starting to push first. Remember, we're gonna keep an eye on level two. This is your friend here. Um, One thing to notice that Amazon is a as you can see is a $2,000 stock, over 2,000 of course. Um, the volume here is hard to see. It's very hard to see the volume here. It's very hard to see the big orders being executed. You want to see the speed the speed of the tape increase. It's just very hard to look at the candles, and like as you can see right here, it's easier to tell when things are dying out and it's ready to start coming back up. It's hard to see, as you'll see later on in the video, what I'm talking about these candles, just because it's Amazon. So you really need to pay attention to level two, the bid and the ask.
a little bit, yeah, for sure. That sucks, dude.
So now, like I said, we're getting a little wick here
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I
from the
think we're in
bottom. We
basically.
want to see more strength. We want to see this ask get aggressive here. Make sure my contracts are good. Getting close here. The spread is tight. You want the spread to be tight. I'm
I'm in on
in.
Amazon.
I'm in with
Had it
Mason.
earlier, but make sure.
So I did get in a little early just because I like the play in general. It is really risky because it's Amazon, but I still liked it. I liked the spread that it was tight. Now I will keep this a very tight stop loss. Just
Everyone
because I
knows
was in.
it's early.
This never really got down below 2160. It's holding up. Spread is still tight. This is wicking from the top side just a little bit for a little bit. This did not affect it. So look at the spread. This is kind of scary here. This is very scary here. You need this to come up and meet this. The This can easily be a reversal. If you watching this and you see this, you have to be ready to act if it starts going against you.
Oh, sweet heavens.
You can see still going there. Finally, it's holding above 2170. Trying to get rid of one here. As you can see here, I got two contracts. I bought two contracts. Like I've mentioned in my first video, I like to scale out of things if I like to move in the momentum. I was being a little risky by scaling out. I should have been out, and it would have been a good play regardless. I would have made 680 bucks here if I would have just scaled out completely. But I do like that the bid and the ask are starting to get tight again.
That was a fucking banger, dude.
Just want in a few more dollars here. Like how this is holding
Wait,
up.
what was that?
2170 slipped below it just slightly, but it came right back
Yeah.
up. Now the ask is strong here. You want this to start coming up. This jumped up to 2178. The bid is above 2175. Still watching that. The bid is trying to come back down here, so I'm getting ready to get out of here pretty soon. But the ask is a little bit stronger here. You just don't want the bid to gain control. Look at that. The
For
spread
real?
is finally tight.
Bro.
NQ is pushing as well. Boom. I'm out. So as you can see here, I part of me wanted to wait to 2180. I just didn't like the spread. Like I was talking about, the spread was starting to get a little wacky there for a little bit. It, the ass main stayed strong, so the bid ended up giving up and coming to it. But it was just one of them things where like 2180. Normally, if the spread was tight the whole way, I might have held that last one to 2180. Um,
Benji, these contracts are up $7 from
as
where
you
you
can see
sold
here, the tape is still moving
or
pretty
from
a
where you
lot
bought.
faster
Like,
than it was
yo,
right
bro,
here when
it's
it
a
was right here.
50% put.
I
Did you
recorded
get
that.
in with me more, or were you in before?
So that was the first play. I made about 900 bucks on this one. I'm going to show my second trade. All right. So this is the second part of the second trade of that day. So as you can see here, I'm waiting for this 2200. As you can see here, some time has passed. The first trade was at 8:32 my time or 9:32 Eastern. Now we're looking at 9:45 Eastern time. So as you can see here, I do notice a small downtrend here that I'm watching. Um, I'm not looking to play the break of this. I am just looking to see this break and hold, and then maybe consolidate at the top. That is my initial plan here. Um, of what to watch. You can see NQ here is kind of consolidating also here at the top. So from here, I'm like I said, it's don't want to make this video too long. I just want you to see the important parts of what I'm looking for. As you can see here, I fast forwarded a few minutes. Now we're starting to see the break of this. Now remember, I said I want to see break. I want to see. I want to see this break here and hold, and then I want to see this break this small consolidation here at the top. Nah, I'm just looking at it as a. I'll look at the 2200 now. So as you can see here, I had a previous resistance here at 12,086. So now what I want to see here, I don't want to see this shoot up straight to 2200. I'm not taking that. That is a very risky play there. I want to see this break this 12,086 that I previously charted, and now I want to see that push to 12,100. It's only a 14-point move, but for a scalp, I want to see that get there quick and hold it. Um, that way I know that at least it'll give me a decent scalp here on Amazon. So as you can see here, I'm still watching this. We'll watch how this is holding around this area. Fast forward just a tad.
2200. I just don't want to be a part of the top of
So
NQ.
as you can see here, it made a new high here. I'm not in. You can see my position size is still 0. This is consolidating. It's still that 12,086 that I had previously charted. So I'm liking this. I want now, like I said, I want to see this. I wanted to see this hold around this area.
Yeah,
I want to
I think so
just
too.
above
I think
this,
if we had like not shot
2190. I
up
do
like
not
that, I
want
might be more
this to get
interested in
down
it,
below
but
2190, and I want
I
this
don't
to
know.
stay right here. And then all of a sudden, I want to see buyers be present. Look at that, dead center 2190 bid right at it. Now watch what's gonna happen here. Look at this candle.
Mhm.
Boom, red to green. red to green. The spread is tight now. Uh, you saw this get to 21.90, and that's what I said. I wanted to see it hold that, and if it dropped a little bit below, I wanted to see it reclaim it pretty quick. It did not. It's touched 21.90 for a few seconds, and then jumped. The ask was strong. The bid gave it up, came and met. Now look at the spread; it's really tight. Consolidating here still. I like that I did not play the new high here. Remember, we made a new high 2 minutes ago. I did not play that. We're still consolidating here at NQ. It looks like it might want to go for this brand new candle. It might want to go for this break now. So now I'm liking it just because of this red to green. I saw the aggressiveness step in. So we're gonna continue watching here.
So
Boom. Just bought two contracts. I went market. I didn't want to. I didn't want to. I just always buy market. I'm slightly red, not much. Um, we're gonna keep watching for
people ask
this
that a lot
spread to be
too. Like, why
really
don't you just
tight.
follow flows?
You want to see this
And
spread
this is
stay
your
tight. We
exact
want to
reason.
see NQ start
Because
to want to
most of
push
us would
this
not
and
hold
break
through
this
this.
previous resistance that's been charted. Bid is holding 21.95. You want to see this start getting aggressive. You want to see this meet here. We know that both of these are tight. This is a tight spread. Look at that. It's coming. It's meeting it. Now it's pushing it out the way. New high. New high. As this is trying to break. This is looks really good on my early, slightly early entry. You can see the wall here at 2200, 3000.
Is it tempting you too much? You gotta switch off a bit.
The spread is still tight. The spread is really tight still. I like it. I'm liking it a lot as this is breaking this.
Tesla going for high of day.
Yeah, boom, new high on Amazon. Alert just went off.
Nvidia's
Boom,
at
I
high of day.
swap. I like to scale out. As you can see, I swapped this to one. Sold limit. Join the ass. Sold limit. Now I'm currently holding one. So usually, since I like the momentum that how it broke it, that's the reason why I ended up scaling out here. I love to scale out. And that's why I hadn't swapped it before because just in case it broke real weak, I was gonna sell all of it that at that time. New high here. As this is breaking, I want to see this get to 12,100. Spread is tight. New high, new high. Well, that was kind of messing up now, but this is looking really good. This is looking aggressive here.
Or was
I want the
680.
bid to hold
It's just been used a
2200.
lot.
Look at that. New high on NQ.
Some people like 670.
Boom. Just want a little bit more. I want the bid to get above 2205. Look at that. Holding 12,100 now. New high. Look at that. Look how smooth that went.
Of
Now watch
course.
that.
The ones we don't play.
I'm still holding. You saw that I set my limit order. I am up nicely. This one contract is up $627 alone. Um, I try to sell limit. I am up nicely. Why get greedy? It broke 12,100. Everything that I wanted to see happened. Why get greedy? But I'm not gonna lie, I did want to see this break 2210, but I decided to change that and just go ahead and sell market. Boom, I'm out. So I will show my fills here. My what I made on that. These were my fills for my first trade. Um, those were my fills for my first trade, and then this is how much I made on that. Again, this was a Thursday. I kept the same contracts. The first play was about 800 bucks. The second play was just under a thousand. Um, so like nobody else played that. Nobody else played that. Sometimes you take as long as it looks good. Don't take every high. I think what I want y'all to take the most out of this, the patience that it took. I didn't play the new highs. Like I said here, I could have took it here. I could have took it here. And really, to be honest, really this candle here, I might have took the old me might have took this. It did not look good. I was up already nicely for the day. I did not want to risk that when I didn't have everything. that I wanted to see there. Uh, so patience, 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 and as long as you have a plan and you like how you trade and there's things that you like and they're happening and you're getting a lot of confirmations like the spread getting tight on level two, NQ pushing towards with you and holding key levels here on Amazon, staying strong or consolidating around where you want it. Uh, don't be scared to go for it. Just trade it. Trade it how you are. Don't be oversized. As long as you're not oversized, you're gonna be good. Um, but like I said, that's all I got here for y'all. If you got any other questions, anything y'all would like me to add on the next video, please comment down below. Thank you.